So who's going to be affected by SB 1718? That's a Florida immigration bill. I'm going to let you know because there's a lot of confusion out there about who is the target of this bill. Now, there are two main categories of immigrants who are covered under this bill. The first one are those who are undocumented immigrants who have been working without their papers. Like that's like a work permit, or without their green card, or another type of visa or status that allows them to work. The main problem here with this bill is that employers are going to face very harsh consequences for employing undocumented immigrants who are not authorized to work. And as a result of that, there are going to be a lot of undocumented immigrants who are going to be displaced and employers who are going to lose as well. So simply being undocumented here does not mean that you're going to face consequences. You're going to be picked up, arrested, or detained, or deported. And keep in mind that the federal government are the people that can deport you, not the state. And this is a state bill. The other category are those who have been here and they were never inspected upon entry into the country. That means they came across the border without any permission. Now, where they are the targets is where they are being transported from outside of the state of Florida into Florida. And the person who transports that individual who came in illegally or unlawfully will then face a felony charge in Florida. Now, this is a big problem for those who are driving from out of state into Florida with their family members or friends. Now, those family members or friends could face very harsh criminal penalties for simply driving into the state from outside with an immigrant. But you also have to show that that immigrant came in without inspection, without a visa or any kind of permission at the border. So simply living with your relatives in Florida or driving around Florida locally is not going to get you arrested or charged with a felony. Another category is undocumented immigrants who are driving with out-of-state licenses. After July 1st, these licenses will be invalid. So undocumented immigrant who is found driving with this license will be cited. So if you're here in Florida, you already have a work permit that's valid. If you are in the middle of applying for an immigration benefit or relief and you're not working, or if you are here on a visa or any other type of current valid status that authorizes you to work, you will not be covered by this bill.